In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to paste an Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word. Whether you're transferring data for a report or creating a table, we'll show you the simplest way to get it done. Open your Excel spreadsheet and highlight the data you want to copy. Right-click on the highlighted data and select Copy. Open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want to paste the data. Right-click in the Word document and choose Paste. Select either Keep Source Formatting or Use Destination Styles to maintain the desired formatting. Adjust and move the pasted content as needed. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.